Hi friends, welcome to schoolkids.com. Today we are going to discuss the important topic on 10th biology of CBSE. So previous class we have discussed about nutrition in plants. So if you didn't watch the video, please do watch the video for getting a continuity of the class. So let's move on to the further topic of nutrition called heterotropic nutrition. Heterotropic nutrition is classified into three, that is saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic, parasitic, holozoic. In saprophytic nutrition, we have the mode of nutrition in which the food is obtained from the dead and decaying organism. For example, we can say that fungi and bacteria. Here, dead and decaying. Example, fungi, bacteria. In parasitic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which the food is obtained by depending other organisms without killing them. Depending other without killing them. Example, we have lice, tapeworm. Then in holozoic nutrition, it is a mode of nutrition in which the steps such as ingestion, digestion, assimilation occurs. Here, we the human beings is example for holozoic nutrition, and also we have amoeba as example for this nutrition. So here the steps taken is ingestion, digestion, assimilation. Example, human beings, amoeba. So let's move into in-depth of nutrition in human beings. Nutrition in human beings. Before moving to the topic, please check your figure in the test for better understanding of the topic. That is the figure that gives the digestion, about the digestion of the human beings. So first one, there we have mouth. It is a place of ingestion of food, as you all know. Then inside this mouth we have teeth, tongue, and we also have salivary glands. Teeth help to crush the food into smaller parts, and tongue help in the sense of taste, and salivary glands, that is the most important thing in digestion. There it produces salivary amylase, so it helps to reduce the starch into sugar. So here the salivary glands produce salivary amylase. Salivary amylase plus starch gives sugar. So this happens in the mouth. Then food move on to esophagus. Through esophagus, it reaches our stomach through the peristaltic movement. So what is peristaltic movement? It is a wave-like movement which helps to the food to move forward in the process of digestion. With the help of peristaltic movement through the esophagus, from the mouth reaches the stomach. So stomach. It is an organ which expands when the food enters into it. Stomach will expand. In stomach, what all thing we have? Yes, it presents gastric juices in stomach. What are all the content of gastric juice? Yes, it mainly has three content, that is HCl, pepsin and mucus. HCl, pepsin and mucus. HCl helps to keep the medium acidic and also kill the bacteria which present in the food. And pepsin help to break down of protein into amino acid, which works better in the acidic medium. That is made by this HCl. Then the mucus protects the stomach layer. So HCl makes the medium acidic, kills bacteria. Pepsin, protein into amino acid reduction is done by pepsin and which works better in acidic medium. The mucus help in the protection of stomach layers. Okay, so this is all about the stomach, and the food then enters into the small intestine. Here the small intestine. The major part of the digestion is occurred in this small intestine. In small intestine, the digestive enzyme from different organ reach in it. So we can look on one by one. That is liver. From liver we have bile salt and bile juice. Bile juice help to keep the medium alkaline. And bile salt help in the emulsification of fat. Okay, this all from bile. Then we have gallbladder. Gallbladder stores this bile salt and bile juice. Then we have our pancreas. Pancreas produces two important enzymes called trypsin and lipase. As a pepsin, trypsin also help into the reduction of protein into amino acids. The only difference that present between pepsin and trypsin is pepsin acts better in acidic medium and trypsin will only act in a basic medium. And our lipase. Lipase help the breakdown of emulsified fat. Breakdown of emulsified fat. Okay. So these are all the things that occur in our small intestine. Okay. Then we can see further into the small intestine. We have when all this digestion completed and the end product is obtained, we have some finger-like projection in this small intestine called villi. This villi will take the food to the blood vessels, and blood vessels reach the food into each and every cell in our body. So the complete absorption of food is taken place in this villi. Okay, and this villi help to increase the absorption by increasing their surface area by keeping this position. Okay, by keeping this position, the villi can increase the surface area. So thus villi take the food into different blood vessels, and thus the body's nutrition need is completed, and then the further undigested food is move on to our large intestine. Here the balanced food, that is the unabsorbed food, is move on to large intestine, and the water present in the food is obtained from here. And the further product is pushed out from our body through our anus. Then to anus, the waste is eliminated. Thus, the nutrition in human beings is completed.